Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Thomas coming to you from Thomas Towing and Transport with a new series that we're going to start doing here called Tom's Tips from the Road. I want to assure everybody that we're doing this hands-free so that we are safe. Both hands are on the steering wheel, eyes are paying attention to what I'm doing, and we're heading up the highway to go to a lockout call. But I wanted to take a couple of minutes and talk to everybody about your insurance that you maintain on your vehicle and how it affects towing, storage, recovery as it relates to if you're involved in an accident at all. If you have full coverage insurance on your vehicle and you're involved in an accident, it has to be towed. It's put into temporary storage until you and the insurance company work out where you want your vehicle to go for repair or if they're going to tow it. All that is covered as part of the damage claim, the same as, the bent fenders and hood and all that kind of stuff. The other side of that is if you have liability only insurance. That means that the only thing your insurance company will cover is whatever you may damage somebody else's property. It provides no coverage for repair of your vehicle, no coverage for any type of towing, recovery, storage, any of that type of stuff. And we see a lot of people get caught off guard by that because they're just unaware that their liability policy does not cover any of those things. And depending on what has happened, towing bills from an accident can range from a couple $100s to several $100s, depending on any type of extra things. If the car was rolled over, if there was winching involved, was it left at the storage facility for a week before you decided where you wanted it to go to repair. And that bill adds up, and none of it is covered by your insurance. That bill is solely on the responsible of the vehicle owner. And we've seen that a lot of times, and like I said, it catches a lot of people off guard. They show up wanting to get their car or have it towed to a repair facility, and they're surprised that their insurance company will not cover any of the damages. The other thing we kind of see a little bit of that is people that they've bought a car, they've kept it for a while, they've paid it off, and everybody's trying to save money, and I get it. Money's tight for everybody, and they drop their insurance from full coverage to liability only because they think it's an older car. They don't have to have as much insurance coverage on it, but people don't think about it from the standpoint of, well, what happens if I do blow a tire and run off and put it in the ditch and I have to have a tow truck come? Or what happens if my new 16-year-old driver rear-ends a car at a traffic light, crushes the radiator, and now it has to be towed? That cost is, again, borne solely by, the vehicle owner, and there's no coverage for that. So hopefully trying to inform and empower people. I would encourage you all to check your insurance policies. A lot of people don't even know. They know they have insurance, but they don't really know what they have. And I would encourage you all to check with your insurance provider, find out what type of coverage you have on your vehicle. Simply having towing coverage for roadside assistance is good, but a lot of times will not cover what an accident call or recovery may cost. So I would encourage everybody to look into maintaining your vehicle coverage, even if it's an older vehicle, even if it's paid off, even if the vehicle is not worth a whole lot of money. You could still end up a whole lot of money out of pocket. At the very minimum, maintaining comprehensive or collision or whatever it's called in your state. The information I'm trying to provide to everybody is based solely on North Carolina, which is where we operate. It may be different where you are, so you'll want to check your applicable state rules and regulations regarding your vehicle insurance. I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. This is our first shot at this. Going to start trying to put together some of these videos and put them on our YouTube channel so that we can just kind of put some information out there. A lot of people just don't know what to expect when they're dealing with a tow company, or what happens when when they're involved in an accident. And we want to try and provide people with some information, because knowledge is power, and power is value, and we want to continue to provide value to all of our customers. Again, this is Thomas signing off. I hope you have a great afternoon, and let us know what you think in the comments section. Y'all take care.